In this video, we are going to master the essential commands to navigate the Linux file system. We will cover the cd command for changing directories, the pwd command for printing the working directory, and the ls command for listing directory contents. Linux organizes files in a hierarchical directory structure, much like a tree. Everything starts at the root directory, represented by a /. This is the base of the entire file system. Directories can contain files, as well as other directories, creating a nested structure. This slide visually represents how the file system is laid out, starting from the root and branching out to other directories such as home, user, etc., and var. The pwd command, which stands for print working directory, displays the full path of the directory you are currently in. To use it, simply type pwd in the terminal and press enter. The output will be the complete path from the root directory to your current location. The pwd command is useful when you're unsure of your location within the file system, before executing commands that depend on your location, or simply to verify your current working directory. The ls command, short for list, is used to display the contents of a directory. By default, it lists the files and subdirectories in your current location. There are also a number of useful options that you can use with the ls command. ls followed by l shows detailed information including permissions, owner, size, and modification date. ls followed by a displays all files, including hidden ones, which start with a dot. ls followed by ls shows file sizes in a human-readable format such as kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes, instead of bytes. Finally, ls followed by a directory path lists the contents of that specific directory. The output of the ls command can be formatted in different ways, providing varying levels of detail. For example, using ls-l provides a detailed list, showing permissions, owner, size, and modification date. Color coding helps to easily identify different file types. Directories are often highlighted in one color, executables in another, symbolic links in a third color, and regular files in yet another color. The cd command, which stands for change directory, is used to navigate to a different directory in the file system. To use it, type cd followed by the name of the directory you want to move to. For example, cd documents will change your current directory to the documents directory. If you type cd without any arguments, it will take you to your home directory. cd followed by 2 dots moves you up one level to the parent directory. To navigate using absolute paths, start the path with a /. To navigate using relative paths, specify the path relative to your current location. A path is a location in the file system. There are primarily two types of paths to be aware of. Absolute paths, which start from the root directory, represented by a /, and always work regardless of your current location. Relative paths, which start from your current working directory and depend on your current location. There are also special path symbols. A single dot represents the current directory. 2 dots represent the parent directory. A tilde represents the home directory. Let's walk through some common navigation scenarios. To navigate to your home directory, simply type cd without any arguments, or cd followed by a tilde. Both commands will take you to your home directory. To move up in the directory tree, use cd followed by 2 dots. This will move you up one level. You can chain multiple, with /s to move up multiple levels. To use relative paths, specify the path relative to your current location. Finally, to use absolute paths, start the path with a /. Absolute paths work from any location. Here are some pro navigation tips to help you become more efficient. Use tab completion. Press the tab key to auto-complete file and directory names as you type. To go back to the previous directory, use cd-. To cycle through previous commands, press the up arrow key. To locate files and directories, use the find command. Remember that tilde is a shortcut for your home directory in any path. Let's summarize what we've covered about file system navigation. PWD, which stands for Print Working Directory, shows your current location in the file system. LS, which stands for List, shows files and directories in the current or specified location. CD, which stands for Change Directory, navigates to a different location in the file system. Now that you understand file system navigation, you can explore file operations like copy, move, and remove. You can also explore file viewing commands like cat, less, and more. You can also explore file searching using find and grep. And finally, you can explore file permissions using chmod and chown. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.